there are cities that taps go dry within 24 hours if we were to go dry. So we're a 24/7, 365 water delivery entity. So I'm Robert Hitchcock with Central Arizona Project. So Central Arizona Project is a wholesale Colorado River water provider. So we basically take the Colorado River water, pump it uphill about 2,400 feet across the system from the California-Arizona border through Phoenix and then down south through Tucson. A number of years back, we didn't have multi-year out look-ahead plans, which made it difficult for our water delivery, our operations group, because we would have major outages coming and not give them the level of prior warning and coordination with customers that they needed. So we did an initiative and really made sure we had all the governance documents of a comprehensive asset management organization. And what's really been enabling for us is a couple things. One, that we did develop a strategic asset management plan and an asset management policy that really set out a lot of what we do now as aspirational. So close to a decade ago when we put that SAMP together, what we are doing now was an aspiration. These all had to grow into it. And then as well, our executive is actually over operations, engineering, so our capital projects, and maintenance. So that executive has basically communicated to all of us that we don't build our plans in a silo. They must be collaborative plans that we lay out together. We do the hard work. We have full process maps with a map, a RACI, a responsible, accountable, contributing, or informed, and specific directions for every step in these processes that let every individual know what's their role and how do they ensure that they're adhering to the process correctly. And it really has provided great dividends for us. We are just talking about it. We've had in our company goals for the last couple of years to get this number from where it was at around 60% when we first started this initiative to now our annual plan, which is our most critical, most difficult, highly constrained work, to get that in excess of 90% execution. And I would say the majority of the work that doesn't get executed is supply chain related. Before I was in the role I'm in right now, I was our planning and scheduling supervisor for the past 8 years, so I've been in this role for 3 now, so I got to kind of see it the whole way through and work with the team, and that's been the most rewarding part for me, is really it was working with the people that have been putting all these individual pieces that kind of rolled up to the sum of the parts there over time. So with Best Work Execution Management, winning this award is really a validation that we've been doing the right things and that we're on the right track.